Hello there and welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Daphne. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be sharing part 2 of my front porch makeover for fall. So we're starting off early morning, and I just wanted to show you guys how we left off in the last video. We had fixed all of the cracks that we had inside of our mortar, a lot of erosion and repairs that needed to be done from water damage that was happening to the steps over the course of several years. So in the last week's video, actually I didn't post last week, so this was 2 weeks ago posting. And we did part 1 where we just tackled all the mortaring on the steps and then also the surround. Now, with letting it cure over about a week or so, I'm just coming back and I'm sweeping down any type of additional haze or grout that might be on the surface and worked its way loose. I'm just taking the time to clean that off. Then I went and I grabbed just a little pan. It's a grout pan. I have my sponge that I used when I was doing the grouting. I put a little dish soap in it and it's warm water, and I just want to thoroughly wash down all of the steps and then the surround so that we can see exactly how it's looking. And then we're going to go in and we're going to try to just stain the new mortared areas once we let it dry. So this was early morning, I think on a Monday. We let it dry until the next morning, and then I came out and I started doing the staining. If you're enjoying the video, make sure that you leave me a flower emoji in the comment section. That just lets me know to keep on bringing you videos like this one. So this is the next morning. We're up early again. I just wanted to give you an overview before I started with staining. In case you're interested, I'm going to be linking my Lowe's storefront, my Amazon, and then also my Like to Know It. You'll be able to shop everything that you see here in all of those places. Probably check out the LTK link first, because I'm able to link all brands in that one site, because the stain is from one place, the brushes and the nailers, they're all from different sources, so you'll be able to capture all the links in that app. So we're up early and I'm just putting on 1 coat of the semi-transparent bare stain that you've seen me use so many times. This is early morning before I start work, so I'm able to just come out and work for about 15 to 20 minutes, just putting down the first layer of stain. So we let the stain dry overnight, and I just wanted to show you guys how it looks. Unfortunately, I am going to have to go over the entire surface, and while I'm at it, because the semi-transparent stain was really at the bottom of the can, so I think that's why the color didn't match up to when I applied it in the past. Because at the bottom of the stain, I guess there was a lot more pigmentation down there because of the stirring. So because of that, and because I had tons of the solid stain, which is what I started using probably about 3 projects in, I really like the coverage of the solid stain. It's still the same brand, it's Bare. But I like the coverage because most of the time I only need to put down 1 layer to be able to get that thick coverage that I was looking for. So we're just taking our time. I'm not going to bore you guys with showing me restaining. I just wanted to show a couple of clips, and then we're going to get into the rest of the video. So I absolutely love that slate stain color. I love the way that all of the surface look with that dark color. So this is early on Saturday. I'm going to be taking everything off of the porch, and then we're going to clean it down, and then we're going to start decorating. So I'm just using some warm water and some dish soap. I'm just making sure that I wash everything down so that it's nice and fresh, so that when we decorate, we're decorating with a nice clean front porch. So now that we have everything nice and clean, I'm gonna go get the mat. Now, if you guys remember from spring, I had purchased this mat and I wind up reusing the mat that we had down previously. So I went and I grabbed this one and we're going to now put it in the front. I love that two-tone effect. It's nice and rich, and I think that it plays off of that sleek color very nicely. Now, if you remember from spring, we had created these planters. So what I'm going to do is I am just going to be taking out the annuals that were in here. We had these Super Bell in one and then a Super Tunia in the other. So right now I just took out the Super Tunia. I'm going to dig out a little area. I'm using my trowel, and then I'm also going to be using my hori knife so that I can just cut out the roots from that annual. And then I'm going to pop in 2 mums. Now, I had shared these mums with you guys a couple of videos back. I picked up 5 of them. They were 5 for $10 at Lowe's. So I have been watering them. I got them when the buds were totally closed, and over the last 2 weeks they have started to bloom, and I love the way that they look. They still have tons of blooms that are going to be showing off for the next several weeks. So we're just popping them into this planter. I'm going to clean down the planter. I'm just going to use some soapy water, and then we're going to pop it up on the porch, and then we're going to do the same thing in the other planter. So let me know what you guys are doing. Do you decorate your porch, for the seasons? I am trying to just do a nice refresh. I'm not, going crazy out here. I just wanted to keep it simple. I'm just refreshing, as you can see, the planters. We're reusing the arborvitae and the carrots that we have inside of the planters that we put in for spring, and we're just switching out the pop of color so that we have this nice mauvey color for fall. And the mat that we put there, I think, is just the perfect touch. And then we're just going to add in 3 plants that I shared with you guys that I had picked up on clearance at Lowe's. They are lantana. And then I also picked up a 3 set of ceramic pumpkins from Home Goods a couple of weeks ago. They're able to be stacked, but I'm actually going to be just putting them up against the lantanas to just make a little display. And the wreath that I picked up also several weeks ago is from Home Goods, and I think that is the perfect touch. I'm going with a different color scheme this year, a little more muted colors, more creamy and light neutral, so I really like the combination. So I'm just going to sweep down the porch. When I was taking out the pumpkins, there was a little styrofoam that had got around. So we're just going to sweep this down, and then I'm going to show you guys the final reveal. I just want to thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you got some inspiration. I hope that you are getting into the fall mood, because I definitely am. So I just want to thank you again. I hope that you have an amazing rest of your evening and a blessed week ahead. And I'll see you back here next week.